In the digital age, with countless task management applications available, one might wonder, are mind maps outdated? Today, we'll explain why freelancers continue to use them and what advantages Layer offers. Mind maps are a powerful tool for visualization. Layer helps present all ideas and tasks in a tree format, making it easy to see the overall project picture. Unlike task lists, mind maps allow for intuitive and visual structuring of information. Mind maps help break down a project into smaller, manageable parts, making the planning process simpler and more efficient. By dividing a project into stages, it's easy to track progress and not miss important details. For visual convenience, you can add emojis and change task colors. With the Eye tool, you can focus on one branch without getting distracted by others. In Layer, you can set task statuses, deadlines, and assign responsibilities. This enhances planning and accountability within the team. Mind maps significantly simplify the communication process. In Layer, you can add information to notes and leave comments on tasks. This makes sharing plans and ideas with colleagues and clients easy. You can duplicate branches and add tasks to folders to make them invisible and avoid distractions. The transparency and clarity of mind maps make discussions and joint planning more productive. Once everything is ready, send the mind map to colleagues or clients via email. Mind maps are not only not outdated, they remain an essential tool for freelancers. With Layer, working with mind maps becomes even easier and more effective. Try Layer yourself and see how useful it can be for your workflow.